Hi guys, just want to talk about Bitcoin here. Now, the thing is, as I always talk about, when a candle turns green and is significantly green, it usually stays green. So, we talk about that on the daily chart and whatever else, but this is the weekly chart, and today is Thursday. So the weekly chart is likely to remain green for a start. So that's kind of telling us that the pullback should not be that big until a new week. Are we going to get one of these candles? I mean, it's only happened once or twice in Bitcoin's history when you get a large green candle like this. So the likelihood is that we are not going to dump. I mean, the odds are in your favor to say that we are not going to dump and this candle is going to turn red. So with that in mind, you have to think that the pullback will not be that great at this point. When will the pullback be? Well, if it's going to be anywhere, it'll potentially be on a new week, like here. Okay, like here, the pullback, the bounce is strong. It's green. It's a big green candle, and the pullback is usually not until a new week. So, and even here, look down here. When was the pullback? It's not when the candle is green and moving up. The 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 big guys will come in and short the new week. They will not short a large green candle. It doesn't make sense. It's risky. It's not. Yeah, it's risky anyway. The odds are not in your favor to be shorting the large green candle, um, unless you're at a peak and a top or whatever. Can there be dips off it? Of course, but the likelihood is that a new week, if you're going to get a dip, is going to be on a new week. Now, in saying that, the last time we got a candle like this was back here. Okay, so maybe there's not going to be a huge dip. You can see there's a bit of a wick into the end of the month here on this one. Okay, you can just see it right here. Maybe we'll get something similar here, and then next month we're going to open up and explode higher again. That is very, very possible. And if we are green on a new month, we need to be long because this market can explode higher again and will likely explode higher at that point. So at this point, you have to think that dips, if we do get a dip, dips are for buying. Just for reference, that last time we dipped from the high to the low there is 13%. Maybe the intra candle went a bit further, but it showed that the dips were for buying. Now, if I go to a daily chart, you can see that even a 13% dip like that last time, it still creates a higher low, okay? Keeping the uptrend intact. So, a 13% dip, it takes us to somewhere here. Maybe we chop and then go higher.